Have you ever been addicted to a game to the point where you stayed up all night playing? Or are you one of those people who will be waiting in a long line at the cashier and whips your phone out to play games so you can kill time? Maybe you are one of those who has played a game on your phone or tablet for so many years and your level is so high that you dedicate a few hours of your day to level up little by little. There is no uninstalling that game for you, am I right? If you are one of those people, or if you play any game at all, wouldn't it be great to earn actual money while playing a game? Doesn't that sound amazing? Well, here is a piece of great news for you. You can live a life of playing and earning. In today's video, we will be showing you a way to earn while playing a fun and enjoyable game with outstanding graphics and interface. Stay with us on this video and you will see how easy it is to earn while playing, all for free. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Today we will be talking about two apps that can make you earn while playing, and the best part? Everything is for free. Free to play! The first app is called Patchy Plus. This is a free interactive game with great visuals and audio. Time will fly by while playing this game, and most importantly, you are earning. How do we access this app? Installing and accessing the app would be the same as most applications. Go to Google Store or App Store on your phone or tablet to install. If you do not prefer installing apps, there is the other option to go and visit play.patchyplus.com for web access. You are free to choose any of the options to access the app, and whichever way you want to access will be free. Once you are on the app, you will be greeted with Patchy Plus's sparkling and enticing homepage. On the homepage, you will have the option to log in and sign up. Go right ahead and choose Sign Up. This page will ask for a few information, which are the usual email, display name, and password. Nothing out of the ordinary, so you know the app you're accessing is safe. There are also two boxes you will need to check on the top part of the sign up page. While you are signing up, what are your favorite games? Do you play on consoles? Are you a PC gamer? Do you like high fantasy action-adventure games? Or do you like games with short stages and mini-tasks? There are so many games out there, so we all have our own preferences and games we enjoy. I would like to hear your preference. I currently like playing multiplayer battle arena games. I spend nights and days trying to rank up. I also like games wherein I play with my friends and family. I enjoy Mario Kart the most when playing with people I know. I'm always looking for new games to play, so drop your favorite game in the comment section below. It could be role-playing games, old school games, or any type of game. I like exploring my options. Comment down below for your favorite game of all time, the current game you are playing, or the next game you are excited to play. The more recommendations, the better. Alright, let's go back to the video. Have you completed the signing up stage? It was easy to create an account and sign up, wasn't it? You now have a Patchy account, so you can proceed with the login options this time. On the homepage, select Log In. You have two options to enter on the username field. You can either enter your email address or your display name. Both should work to log in. Once you have entered your email address or display name, enter your password, and then click on the login button below. After clicking the login button, you will land to a new page. On this new page, you have a few options to choose from. The first two options are the two types of pachinko games, which are Arcade and Patchy City. You will have the same controls in both games. If you have played pinball in the past, this game will be familiar to you. The only difference between the two games is the number of challenges. If you are laid back and don't like too many challenges, then arcade mode is best for you. How do you actually play this game? On the bottom of your screen, you will find a red button. This red button will shoot a ball called Patchy Ball. You will need to press and hold this red button to control the strength of the shot, which will affect where your ball will land. There will be 4 places where your ball can land, which are called pockets. The first pocket could be on recycle. You will have the Patchy Ball back to your reserve if the ball lands on recycle. The second pocket will be the bottom hole, where you have the ball again. The third pocket is the coin pocket, which is colored green, where you can win Patchy coins. The last and fourth pocket is the jackpot pocket. This is the blue pocket. Collect 12 jackpot prizes to trigger the special bonus wheel, where you can earn Patchy Balls, coins, and even tickets. Launch more Patchy Balls to get the chance of earning more Patchy coins and tickets. The goal is to get more Patchy Balls, Patchy coins, and Patchy tickets. The more Patchy Balls you have, the more you can shoot. The more Patchy coins you have, the more chances you have to win the leaderboard contest. Patchy tickets can be exchanged as rewards on the Patchy Exchange. Always remember to save your Patchy coins and tickets before leaving the app. Just select the gear icon, choose Endgame, and then tap Quit, so you don't end up losing your earnings. There are more ways to get more Patchy Balls on the options located at the bottom of the home screen. How is this game looking so far? I find it entertaining, and winning has never been so easy. Did you try the game? Was it challenging, moderate, or easy for you as well? We would like to hear your own experience playing the game. Comment how you did down in the comment section below. If you also think the game is fun, hit the like and subscribe button for more videos about earning while playing fun and enjoyable games. Now, back to the video. With Patchy Plus, there are 2 ways to win the most. The first one is Weekly Championship, and the second one is Patchy Exchange. 10 players get to win money every week with the Weekly Championship. That could be you if you have Patchy coins. The player in first place will win 2,500 pesos or about $50, and could even be higher. Check your leaderboard page from the home screen to see the ranking of players. The leaderboard page is the red trophy icon on your home screen. The leaderboard is getting updated every Monday, 12 p.m. Philippine time and 4 a.m. GMT, showing the 10 players with the most Patchy coins. Patchy Plus's Facebook page also announces the winners every Tuesday, 12 p.m. Philippine time or 4 a.m. GMT. Do you like the arcade mode? Would you also be checking the leaderboard every Monday? I know I will. Shoot your comment below if you will be with me every Monday to check the leaderboard. And while you're leaving a comment, why don't you smash the like and subscribe buttons as well if you haven't already? Now, back to the second way to get more earnings with Patchy. If you don't like to join the leaderboard and do not want to compete, Patchy Exchange will work best for you. If you have enough Patchy tickets, you can exchange them with rewards. The prizes could be unlimited cash from Premium Prize Trophy. There are gift cards for Lazada, Amazon, Apple and Google Play Store, and mystery boxes. I like the Premium Prize Trophy the most, as I can just exchange my Patchy ticket for premium trophies with an equal amount and easily cash in. There is no need for me to beat other players, unlike the leaderboard. You can access Patchy Exchange from the Patchy Plus homepage under My Account. You can also access via web on patchyexchange.com. Just log in with the same credentials that you use to log in on Patchy Plus. Select Shop and select the reward you want. If you're feeling lucky, you can also try Patchy Exchange Sweepstakes by going to the website patchyexchange.com/sweepstakes, or just click on the sweepstake option on the Patchy Exchange website. You can win with the daily, weekly, or monthly draws. You can win 250 Patchy tickets on the daily draw that you can use to earn more prizes on the Patchy Exchange. The weekly and monthly draws can give you the opportunity to win $20 on the weekly draw and $50 on the monthly one. There is one free entry daily for those with Patchy accounts. Winners will be announced every 12 p.m. Philippine time or 4 a.m. GMT for daily draw, Monday 12 p.m. Philippine time or 4 a.m. GMT for the weekly draw, and the first day of the month at 12 p.m. Philippine time or 4 a.m. GMT for the monthly draw. Just check the results of the draw on the Patchy Exchange sweepstakes page. I hope you will have a great time playing Patchy Plus and enjoy winning prizes, cash, and more. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.